George and I spent a few hours yesterday modifying his front engine mounts, and then we pieced together this just from scrap that he had laying around in his garage, and I tacked it together over there, and I brought it home today. I'm gonna weld everything up and shape it so it looks better, but it's going to be good and sturdy. That's the rear transmission mount, cross member. And yes, Nicole, I do use the nice angle grinder that you bought me. Thank you. Well, the finished product. George's transmission mount cross member for his Model A hot rod. Turned out pretty good.